Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 2019, Jessie's Critter Carousel debuted at Disney California Adventure as part of the transformation of Paradise Pier into Pixar Pier and replaced the opening day attraction, King Triton's Carousel of the Sea. Guests can take a ride with Jessie the Yodeling Cowgirl atop one of her desert animal friends. Inspired by the world of Woody's Roundup from Toy Story 2. The ride is technically a merry-go-round since it includes animals other than horses. 5 years ago, this attraction opened. Don't you just love it? It's pretty cute. I think so. Anyway, have a magical day!